Come with us on the first day of the forum, E-Commerce Brazil, the biggest e-commerce conference in the country. We spotted so many brands we know and love, and the Pinterest stand, absolutely stunning, especially that cheeky little coffee table. And what about this robot from WBuy? So cool.
This is pão de queijo with Nutella.
Never heard of pão de queijo? Let us blow your mind. It's a Brazilian cheese bread, crispy on the outside, soft and chewy on the inside, and totally addictive. Basically, it's a little ball of cheesy happiness.
Never tried before. It is tasty, but it's very interesting because I'm expecting the cheese and it's coming chocolate. I recommend.
Stay tuned for day 2.
Chocolate.
Welcome to day 2 of Forum E-Commerce Brazil. We kicked things off with an exclusive rooftop breakfast hosted by Barty at Laçu Rooftop. Beautiful views of São Paulo, amazing coffee, and the best Brazilian breakfast to start the day. Then it was time to head to the event with our new friend Igor from Alti Rocks. First stop, the App Max stand for more coffee, and of course, a classic Brigadeiro fix. Yes, we're back explaining another Brazilian delicacy, because how could we not? Meet Brigadeiro, the fudgy, chocolatey, melt-in-your-mouth treat that shows up at every Brazilian celebration. Is dessert perfection in one bite. No judgment if you eat 5, we did. Emily gave a fantastic interview to Thais Manelli. It'll be out soon, so stay tuned. We kept exploring this massive event and were blown away by the energy and the crowd. We also visited our friends at Brazil's leading delivery and logistics tech company, who kindly invited us to be part of Forum E-Commerce Brazil. So much more to come. Stay tuned for day 3. It's the final day of Forum E-Commerce Brazil, and there's still so much to see and do. We started the day checking out the stands, catching up with friends, and trying yet another Brazilian delight. This time, açaí. At this point, we should probably start a mini-series. Things Brazil feeds us that we now can't live without. Açaí, a rich, frozen purple bowl of goodness made from Amazonian berries. It's fruity, refreshing, slightly tangy, and usually topped with granola, banana, and sometimes a little extra something sweet. Think smoothie bowl, but better, and with serious superfood status.
Açaí today is delight. Honey, condensed milk, granola. What else was there? Milk powder, and there was one more ingredient I can't remember.
The creativity at the stands was next level. Just look at this cart from Social Unlimited Boost and the delivery boxes from Jadlog. Then it was time for the closing show, and we could not believe who stepped on stage. Di Ferrero, one of the artists we sponsored on the Euro Tour. What a surprise. We had such an amazing time, and yes, the Shopify nails from editions.dev still going strong. Thanks for following along on this adventure. See you next year.
We are founders, and of course we're just seeing the artist that we sponsored his Euro Tour playing e-commerce conference in Brazil.
Crackers, absolutely crackers.